So we've just received a box from inflatable.boatfishing.com. Let's do an unboxing video. Right, then let's get the Garmin fish finder out and have a look. First look in the box. It's packaged nicely. And we also got a free sticker. We love a sticker. Cannot wait to get that out on the boat and get using that. Let's see what else is in the box. What else we've got in here? So all the wiring for the transducer. What's for the bracket? Some bolts and a big old bag of wires and the transponder, transducer, the bracket. More bolts and instructions. Also got some lovely paper in the box. Let's now take a look at the accessory pack that came with it. Also as well, a big shout out to Carlos at Inflatable Boat Fishing for sending me this amazing deal. If you haven't already checked out the IBF page, make sure you do head on to inflatableboatfishing.com. There's some amazing deals on there on inflatable boats, the Hydrus, the camo Hydrus, lots of fish finders, everything on there for boating to do with fishing is on there, so make sure you check that out. There's our nice little bag for our fish finder. We'll get that in there shortly. Also got the battery to power the fish finder. It's like a motorbike battery. And let's see what's in this box. Okay, so we've got a plug of some sort. That looks like this charging accessories to charge the battery. And we've got a couple more brackets. The last two things in the accessory box, we've got the bracket that goes in the bag so we can hold it, and the base plate. So far I've put the battery on the base plate with the handle. I'll bring you back in a second. So we've now attached the Garmin fish finder to the base and handle. And that is the transponder arm from Railblazer, already there with the transponder on. Right then, battery's all connected up on the back. Let's now take a look. There we go. And there it is there in the demo mode working. That's the traditional view. I've got the clear view on here as well. There's your clear view, gives you much more detail. You've also got active captain, I'm yet to find out what that is, and then you can have obviously all views on one screen. Quick draw map that basically shows you the seabed as you go around, it draws the map for you. And then you've got your traditional view and your clear view together on one screen as well. So far I'm very impressed, looks brilliant. Well, there we go, there it is all together, all in its case. I've even managed to find some of the charts online from the app on the phone. All in all, looks like a decent bit of kit, and I can't wait to get on the boat using it. Well, there you go, that was my unboxing video on the Garmin Striker. Thank you all for watching.